Hello everyone from Kennewick, Washington, July 14th, 2019, about 7 p.m. I have the hiccups. I am so sorry. This is silly. Okay, I just wanted to show you this big glob of clouds covering our sunset behind the tree. They're not letting anything shine through. I'm sorry, I have a crappy view of the actual sunset. There it is. We'll see what this brings us. We had a little bit of rain today. A ton of chemtrails yesterday. Chemtrail after chemtrail, and they just covered the sky like a spider web. It was horrible. So today we had a little bit of rain, and now it's clear with more clouds coming, so we'll see what happens. Hope everyone is having a great day and doesn't have the damn hiccups. Much love to y'all. One more hiccup for you there, and I am out. Bye-bye.